There are so many webinars who are telling the same things. So in that mindset I've joined, but you really made me to realize this is something very different. I was very happy when I got that first client in just 8 days. I saw every step, whatever you did, you taught us. I made my own website. Praise, very happy, proud to each video you always tell us 20% is just learning, 80% is the implementation.
Let's say now with the skills that you have, if you talk to 10 people, how many will you be able to convert?
I can convert 7 to 8 for sure.
Hi everyone, meet Sai Vennela. She's a digital nomad. She's from Andhra Pradesh. She got her first international client in just 8 days, starting the digital nomad movement. Is that true, Sai Vennela?
Hi, Bipin. Yes, I got my international client in day 8. I was very happy when I got that first client in just 8 days.
Wow, you've done a great job. Congratulations on that.
Thank you. Thank you, Bipin.
So now how many clients are there in the pipeline and what's happening?
Yeah, now I have 5 clients and I have started one client. I have started my services and it's going very good now.
Okay, great. That's amazing. So why do you have any background or any experience with regard to digital marketing, or this is the first time that you're learning all this?
I did MBA in marketing and operations, but I have chose my career to be in logistics background. So this is something new domain and I never had any experience with this marketing.
So no experience in digital marketing?
Yes, no.
Okay. So how did you, start this journey? What is your, how did you get into the digital nomad movement? What was your journey?
Actually, I was very stressed with 9 to 5 job. And because even though we put 200% in a job, end of the month, we have only one amount. And there is no value to our work and all. So that's where I was very stressed and going to the Facebook with full of frustration. That's where you hit the screen and you were exactly talking, are you 9 to 5 job? Or do you want to transfer your career to something which they will invest on your value? So I was like, how this man know about my stress, what I'm going through this life? So that's why I just joined the webinar. There are so many webinars who are telling the same things. So in that mindset I've joined, but you really made me to realize this is something very different, which is very good thing, because you made me to understand this is what it's exactly for you. So that made me to join this digital nomad.
Great. So now, how many skills have you learned in total in just 30 days? How many skills have you learned?
The first thing, before I talk about the skill, I just want to thank you because you didn't straight away start with the Facebook ads or strategies. You just started with the mindset, because you're telling us, Sai, you have chosen this path. You're going to transfer your lifestyle into this digital nomad. So for that, before skills, your mindset should be changed. This is what your mindset should be carried out. So that's what you told us. And that was my first skill personally I took. And
how powerful is the mindset on a scale of 1 to 10?
I can tell above 10, because this is really true. I'm telling from my heart, because this is not only suitable for my career, this is also for lifetime, because our mindset is always how we live, how we see things. So that really helped in my personal life as well, when working out in the relationship. So how your mindset should be, how mature should be. So that really helped.
What can you tell me a few things that the mindset, okay, one is for business, that's for life. How did this transform you in your family? How did this mindset or the training that I've given you made you a new person? Can you tell me a few things that you changed, the things that you implemented or something changed?
Yeah, the abundance mindset and the free mindset. See, who were telling me something, I'll not take it as very personally, or oh, I'm like this, I can't do anything, I'm worthless, something like this. But you told me, no, you can do everything. If I can do, why you can't do? That's what mindset you have created. Even in the relationship, I used to listen more. That's what you told us. You talk less, listen more. Then only you can work out whatever the relationship is. So we made that. I have made that. I used to talk less and try to understand the other person who is opposite to me.
Wow. So just by understanding, listening, maybe, you understood the person better, you started understanding family better.
Yes.
And yeah, I think like, okay, this give you 100%, this might have given you a positive impact in your life. And this will carry out for your lifetime.
Yes, true.
Amazing. Okay, the next skill that you've learned, what is the other skill that you've learned?
The second thing is closing. That's
Hmm.
very most powerful thing in this. So
Hmm.
you also made a difference. What is the difference between selling and closing?
Hmm.
Because every person, if it say digital marketing, they think, okay, this person is a seller. But you
Hmm.
said we are far more better and very opposite to the selling.
Hmm.
So the maturity, the way of approaching to the people, the way of talking, everything differs in this. So
Hmm.
the second thing is closing. I have learned from you
Was that world class?
more than that. Seriously.
Okay, great. And that is also a life skill for you for lifetime.
Yes.
And all you need is you need some, you need an income. You just go talk to someone, you will have your money coming into your bank account. You don't have to wait for an interview, you don't have to get a job, you don't need anything.
Yes. Yeah.
You have the skill, go and talk to 10 people. Let's say now with the skills that you have, if you talk to 10 people, how many will you be able to convert?
I can convert 7 to 8 for sure.
Are you sure? 7 to 8?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. See, that's the power that you have.
Yeah.
And in the webinar, I told that you need to be, focusing on financial confidence and not financial freedom.
Yes.
So what is financial confidence? The ability to generate any amount of money at any given period of time. And now if you have completed 30 days, now do you have the financial confidence?
Yes, I have.
Yeah.
I'm
You just talk to 10 people, at least 5 people will give you 25,000 rupees per month.
yes.
Later on, when you move up, you can even charge 1 lakh per month.
Yes, true.
And that is the financial confidence that you've got.
Yeah.
How do you feel now, Sai?
The day one, how was I? And now it's really very different. I can just experience that. Because day one, I was clueless. I don't know what to do with my career. But I was confident that, okay, I've chosen right person, right mentor. Definitely, maybe I can change. But now there's nothing maybe. I will change. That's what now.
Awesome. More poverty. Okay. Second skill was closing. Third skill, what is the third skill that you've learned?
In the closing itself, you have told us how to approach the clients. The
Prospect.
way, yeah, you just told that. See, if I randomly go to some other person and I say I'm doing digital marketing, I can give you clients. They will say no. That's what you told us. The technique you have told us, go as a marketing student. Tell them we are taking a questionnaire. That really helped me, Bipin, because I have tried that. That's how I got my 5 to 6 clients now.
Nice.
What?
Nice. Nice. Okay. Closing is done. What are the other skills quickly?
Prospecting
Prospecting. Okay. Uh,
and
Next,
Facebook ads,
Facebook ads.
ads, and how to target the people.
Okay. After Facebook ads, what else?
Uh,
Copywriting.
yes, powerful thing. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Copywriting is very important because I don't know about all these things. And other skill, before I just forget, I just want to tell you, as I told you, I don't have any experience in this marketing or technical thing. I did my website. I was really shocked because I
Wow.
just followed every step, whatever you told. I didn't see any YouTube videos, to be very frank in this
Mm.
forum. I saw every step, whatever you did, you taught us. I made my own website. I'm
How do
really
you
very
feel?
surprised, very happy, proud too.
Awesome. Awesome. So, Jim, it's just simple. Just followed my videos. You were able to fully develop your website.
Yes, seriously.
Was that difficult or easy?
It first I thought, when someone was telling day 7 will have website, I was like, no, definitely I may not be able to do because I don't have any experience. But when I trusted the process, when I trust your teaching and all, I just followed the same thing and have made in just 2 days.
Wow. Two days you
Seriously.
completed your website.
Yes, yes,
Amazing. See, even few colleges, they will teach website development and all other things. They'll take 6 months. Even by the end of 6 months, a lot of digital marketing institutes or training institutes and colleges, they will not teach. The students will not know how to make a website.
Yes.
And also, let's say you have done MBA in, even I've done MBA. So the amount of marketing knowledge that you have now, did I give practical? Okay, simple question. Compared to your MBA, maybe you have invested 2-3 lakhs.
Yeah.
How different was my program?
In MBA, I had digital marketing paper.
Hmm.
I was like, this is I really didn't like, because the way of teaching is really matters to the students. So they're like very theoretical, and they say this is Facebook, this is our ads, that's it. I was like, I want to pass this paper, that's it. That's what my mind said. But now everything is you always tell us in each video, you always tell us 20% is just learning, 80% is the implementation. That's what the real mantra, because that's where the practical comes. You just tell us in the video, go and approach people. This is the way you have to approach. That's it. But we really approach, we really know what's the outside world is. That's really helped us.
Awesome.
Totally different.
So, completely practical is what I teach.
Yes.
Okay. So on when compared to traditional education and the education that you're getting from us, how powerful are we when compared to traditional education?
I think there is no comparison, Bipin, because I really felt, I was just thinking in these 30 days, I really felt, you told me 2 to 3 lakhs. I have invested 10 lakhs in my MBA. I was like, this thing was, if was there in my MBA, definitely I would not waste these 3-4 years. Definitely I'll be very successful in the day one when I complete my MBA. Why I didn't see Bipin videos that long back? I was like, I was just thinking about that. There's really no comparison with the MBA or this thing. It's totally different and very powerful.
Yeah, perfect. So I feel like the vision or the objective that I've started this movement is to be better than MBAs.
Yeah,
Uh,
you are
just
already.
just be better than MBAs, because the MBA have screwed my life, and it has screwed many people, just looting a lot of money and then not giving the right value. And I thought, if I want to get into education and if I want to teach, I want to be just better than MBAs and give them the right education. So yeah, I'm so glad that this is really helping you. This has really transformed you a lot.
Yeah.
So yeah, you just completed 30 days now. You have 5 clients in your pipeline, and
Yeah.
you're working with few clients now. That's amazing. So what do you want to say about the entire community?
I want to tell them you are in the right place at the right time. You have chosen a correct mentor. So for that, I have to congratulate everyone. And the community is also like, like a brother and sister. They are very empathy to us. And if whatever doubt we have, they will immediately reply to us, and very friendly. They never judge us. They will not, even if we ask a very stupid question also, they will be very happy to help us. And I have to congratulate each and every digital nomad over in the community. And I have to tell them, please implement whatever our mentor is telling. Please implement everything and trust the process. You will definitely be successful in this digital nomad.
Awesome. What you had to say about the mentor?
Mentor is I actually, there's not really no words, because I have seen so many mentors in different journals and all. But Bipin is something, he gives you what each and every penny you are investing, he gives a double value to that. And end of the day, you will definitely realize you'd never waste really not a even penny also you didn't waste. And but you have to, whatever he's telling, you have to implement exactly the thing. And you will definitely, you will be very surprised. Am I now today like this? I was very broken. I was stuck with this 9 to 5 job. I was really going through a bad phase of life. But when you realize, when you transform, definitely you will be very surprised by seeing yourself. So please implement whatever Bipin's telling in the entire course, and you will be definitely be successful. I'm damn sure about that.
Thanks. And in this fastest time, 30 days, you did your website, you launched your business, you started working with clients, you learned Facebook, copywriting, a lot of things
Yes.
in just 30 days. Is that okay? Now people will be like, oh, in 30 days, can we really do all of this? Did you really do this in 30 days?
I really did. And copywriting is something very, very powerful. And I was always think that no, I can't do this content. I can't do this copywriting because I don't have any experience in that. I always go down to myself. But when I saw your course, this very easy. Is this that easy and we can do that? And I did copywriting. I also did creators because of your our course, this 30 days course. I did creators by myself. I was thinking, I was really telling my mom, I did this. I did this creative, I did this copywriting, and I was very, very happy. You can see in my face now that much happy I was. And I'm also doing.
Awesome. More power to you, Sai. There's a long way that you have to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a long way. What you need to do is, okay, now in my business,
Okay.
I have few clients, and that clients are giving me recurring income every month.
Okay.
I always see to get more clients. So I want more clients, right? So you should not be thinking I need more clients. Okay. If you just think I need more clients, you'll go in a different angle. You'll start saying taking everyone in, and then you'll get busy. So you should think like an entrepreneur. Okay, now how can I grow this business? How can I grow my digital nomad, journey? So you have clients now. So make sure you're at least getting one good client every month, so that by the end of 3 months, 4 months, you'll have good clients working with you, and your income will be more than 1 lakh. So it's all about goal. You need to have a goal and just walk towards that goal. To reach that goal, you have all the knowledge and skills now, and you can give this. You can partner up with the community people, or you can partner up with your family members, with your let's say with your husband, and you both can actually work and go to the next step. So yeah, that's it. I would say there's a long way to go, but 30 days, you have done a great job. You've done your website, started working with clients. Amazing. I'm so happy for it.
Thank you so much. All because of you, Bipin. Very grateful to you.
Perfect. And thank you so much. Even I'm also happy that you made sure that you implemented and you got the result.
Yes.
Okay. See you inside, and see you in the weekly calls. Bye.
Thank you so much.